first minute of our warm-up.
Okay, let's do the warm-up.
Unawat ko. Ano na? Pareha di mo warm up or kanding.
Okay, before the second song, let me ask first who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month. Hi, happy birthday. Listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing happy birthday song. Everybody sing happy birthday. Again. Okay, let's sing happy birthday. Again, So our doubles are mimicking Bernie, Lani, and Rudy. And now we have Mr. Ayan to continue the second part of the show.
Thank you, Ms. Jihan and Mr. James, and with our mimicking birds, Annie and Louie. So, you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our cute and floppy birds. Now it's time to meet some ferocious raptors, the birds of prey. The birds of prey are those birds who choose smaller mammals, reptiles, and birds as their food. So, ladies and gentlemen, be observant because our new set of birds are going to showcase their extraordinary hunting skills and flight styles. With our first birds of prey, the sniper prey in flight, our Brahminicae named Glider. So Brahminicaes are formerly known as the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. And here in the Philippines are locally known as Banot in Bisaya and Lawig in Tagalog. They love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. A round of applause to our Brahminicae named Glider. And now let's proceed to the second bird of prey, the nocturnal bird of prey. Nocturnal means they are more active during nighttime, and do their hunting mostly on nighttime. So ladies and gentlemen, please sit down and be silent because we have here the ninth creature of the Philippines. The Philippine eagle owl named Tato. Okay, now let's talk about owls. Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head and bulging eyes. And their eyes is very good in total darkness. They can see 10 times better than the human eyes. When they fly almost silently due to their special feather structures that reduces turbulence. Here in the Philippines, they are commonly known as bukaw or quaco. So just like Brahminicaes, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. Hey buddy, do you want to go home? Hi. I think you have to sleep. 1, 2, okay, have a good night. And now let's proceed to one of the longest birds of prey. And with that, I need your cooperation to please sit down and no one will stand up because our bird is going to fly closer to you. For your own safety, please don't try to reach out our bird because they will fly closer to you. Okay, we have our bird trainer, Mr. Chris. So, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. Okay, so Marina is a white-bellied sea eagle and also known as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage from their head down to their underparts. And also their back and wings are dark gray in color. So, they're mostly found in Tasmania, Australia, and Southeast Asia. And also, Marina is a monogamous type of bird, meaning they will only have one partner for a lifetime. So just like any other animals, the female is slightly larger than the male. So a round of applause for our white-bellied sea eagle, Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here the flying lories all the way from Australia. So we have three types of lories: the dusky lories, the trotting lories, and the blue-red lories. And to make this moment more memorable, we have here the symbol of